back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create this beautiful Indian look. This is the look you can wear for your friend's wedding and you will look beautiful. This is a very simple look, so if you want to know how I got this look, then let's start with the video. I'm starting off with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Pure Beige and I'm using this one after a really long time, and I'll be taking it on my fingertips, and from there I'll just apply it right under my eyes and on some of my imperfections. For quite some time I was using PAC Takeover Concealer. I just love that concealer for that natural finish. Now with my fingertips I'll be blending this away right under my eyes, and of course not forgetting my eyelid area. And now I'll be using my PAC sponge for blending it further. Now for setting my eyelids, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. This is in the shade Light Medium, and just pressing this nicely on my eyelids to set the concealer, and I just want to make sure that I have perfect base to apply my eyeshadows. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette. This is Precious Stone Emerald palette, and I'll be taking this color right over here, Firework, and I'll start blending this on my eyes with the help of a PAC brush. This is from the PAC Eye Series brush set, so there's no number mentioned over here. It's one of the brush I have in my brush set. Start applying this shade right from the outer corner. And I'm just placing this color first and then I'll blend it. And for blending I'm using another brush from that same PAC Eye Series brush set, and I'll start blending this color. It's a pretty common shade. It's a dark brown chocolatey kind of a shade, and you will get it in any other palettes, so it's not difficult to find. So if you want to create the same look, it will be really easy to find the similar shade for the look. All you need to do is, just keep adding on this shade, and you can always stop if you're satisfied with the color you want. I just want to keep it a little dark, so you can see that I'm just adding this color on my eyes and just blending it nicely to get the payoff I want from this eyeshadow. For the second shade, I'll be taking this Kyoto shade right over here. It's a bit darker than the Firework shade, and applying it right onto my outer corner. Just a little bit of that color. With the help of a clean blending brush, I'm just going to blend the colors, the eyeshadows. I just went ahead and applied this brown kajal from Sugar. I just wanted to see if it's visible or not, because I wanted to have that smudge kind of a look. And with a small flat brush, I'll be just smudging out the kohl. And with a small flat shader brush, I'll be taking both of these shades, Firework and Kyoto, and I'll be applying these two on my lower lash line. Just before I apply mascara to my eyes, I'll be just curling them up a little bit. And for mascara, I'm using today this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is a beautiful mascara again from Maybelline, and it really looks natural. It makes your lashes look beautiful. foundation, I'm using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer in the shade Warm Beige, and I'll be taking a small amount of this foundation, a pea-size amount actually, and this much is enough to cover my entire face. And with my beauty blender, I'll start blending this out onto my face. It's a medium coverage foundation, guys, and it's a bit thick in consistency. You do not need much to cover your face, and it leaves your skin with natural finish. That's what I love about this foundation. It's a bit expensive, but I think it's worth trying. With the help of a bigger brush, I'll be taking the same loose powder and just going to, set my entire face. Not applying too much of it because I want to keep the look really fresh and dewy. Just running across my face. For highlighting the high points of my face, I'm going with this L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer in the shade Beige, and I'll be taking this right under my eyes. On my nose and a little bit here. And now I'll be doing the baking process, and for that I'll just set my concealer with the help of this powder and sponge, and just going to press this powder on top of the concealer. I'll just let it sit for a while, and till that time I'll be doing the rest of my face. And for bronzer, I'll be going with this Sugar Contour de Force bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder, and picking up my favorite bronzer with the help of this Pro Arte brush. I want to keep this look looking really warm and soft at the same time, so I won't be going for contour, and I just stick to the bronzing only. This warmth of the bronzer really adds up to the look. I really look how cohesive and beautiful your face looks after you're done with the bronzing. For the blush, I'm using this Sugar Mauve Marble brush. For the highlighter today, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and I'm using this in the shade Precious Petals. Just going to highlight the high points of my face. And for the lipstick, I'm using today Maybelline New York lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. This is a beautiful natural shade. So this is the final look, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please support my channel by subscribing it, and please share with your friends. Your support will mean the world to me. I'll be motivated to create better and better content for all of you. To get all the notifications of my new videos, please hit the notification bell. I have provided all the product details in the description box for you all to check, and I've also given my Instagram handle in the description box, so you can find me there and follow me there for more content. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay home, stay safe, stay positive. Bye.